Hi, I'm Swati. I'm from IT background. So we have just bought this house recently, and he's Debanjan. He's my husband. We recently got married. The house that you can see right now is totally created by Ashita and Sandeep. They have given their great ideas and their great input values to create something so beautiful, which you will be seeing now. So basically, since both of us are contemporary design lovers, so we wanted a mixture of something like contemporary design and a little touch of some modernization. And Ashita and Sandeep totally worked to live up to it for what we were looking to.
When we met Sandeep and Ashita, they were totally ready with the 3D designs and every aspect of the curtains, color, and what the kitchen would look like. So that was something that really pushed us towards finalizing them and making us believe that they'll do a great job. And thankfully, they never disappointed us.
About the living room, we really wanted subtle colors like grey and light shades of gold, and that's what is our personal favorite. So these were the recommendations that we'd given to Sandeep and Ashita, and they very nicely placed it. So TV unit, we wanted a simple but very classy design, which we actually got what we wanted with very nice subtle colors like the creamy and coffee colors that we actually like. So we really like these parts about our living room.
The main attraction of living room is this L-shaped sofa.
I can agree
this is
to
the
it.
most comfortable thing that I believe right now. And like watching football matches Sunday night in this L-shaped sofa is like totally out of that experience is totally out of the world.
A basic requirement what we were looking for was a blue wall somewhere, and they really managed to bring it up very nicely over here.
Another thing that I like very much in this space is the golden chairs. So the first time we saw this in Sandeep's catalog, we totally selected this, and this was one of the best choice that we did.
The kitchen, if you see, has a nice pearl color with rose gold handles, which really adds to the beauty, and we have a lot of storage for storing a lot of stuff. So it's beautifully designed, and I really like my kitchen as well. And after we have broken this wall, this whole area looks really spacious and big, and it's become nice and airy now because the ventilation is good from both the sides, and it even adds value to our kitchen. Like the kitchen has become more spacious. If a person is sitting on this side of the kitchen, you can easily talk to them. So it's become very nice now after breaking off the wall. After a hectic day, when I come back to this room, it really feels nice to me. And like I told you, I really like subtle colors, so they have really given me a nice blend of a bright as well as a subtle color together in the room. And the colors have been chosen so nicely that the room still looks very spacious in spite of being a bright color. And the wall lamps, the headboard, all of this have been designed very nicely to suit with the other components of the room. So I really like my bedroom.
So with the whole work from home situation, I really wanted a super comfy workplace. So if you see, we have ample space here for a quick office meeting, and even we can hang out and party in this place. So this is like on and on multi-dimensional room that I have.
Ashita and Sandeep, I would like to add, they have been so nice to us. See, being professional is something else, but very nicely they have always attended our calls whenever we have called them, and they have always been very responsive to us. We being layman, we may not have a lot of idea about color sense or how the thing would actually look in the house, but they have always helped us, answered us silly questions, helped us solve our queries. So it was wonderful, having them for 3 months, work in our house, and they have really helped us build a beautiful house. So we really thank both of them, Ashita and Sandeep, a lot.